Hello, everybody. Today we are going to reflect on January and plan and reset for February. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel so that we can connect every week. I've had an eventful Jan, which I'm really happy about actually. So, first to begin with, I went on a road trip to Bangalore. I visited IKEA as well. I even arbitrated in a couple of chess tournaments, which I really love doing. I also attended my cousin's weddings. Actually, two weddings. The same cousin, two weddings, and it would have been illegal if it were to two different guys. But anyway, about the two weddings, one was in the Goan style in the church here in Goa, while the second one was a South Indian wedding for which I traveled all the way to Hyderabad. And the last time previously I remember traveling to Hyderabad was somewhere in 2003. Actually went there for a chess tournament. It was an all India age group Wipro event where I actually tied for first place and I lost in the tiebreaker, the best of three against Bhavana. So then I ended up securing the second place. I still wonder where that trophy is. I don't know where it is or if I have it. Did I even get a trophy? I don't remember. And I also met some family and friends after 20 long years. I think 20 to 21 long years. Best part of my month and my trip, just which was so amazing. It brought back so many childhood memories, and I don't know why I grew up. I had an amazing childhood. I really wish I didn't turn up this way. I wish I hadn't gone another 20 years, The 8-year-old me was super happy, and I think that was when I was my happiest. Anyway, I'm so glad to be back home and creating this video today. I really missed content creation. I got to add that I've been loving my bullet journaling journey. It's been pretty amazing. I've been making mistakes every week, but I've been working on them and I've had a really wonderful creative experience. So yeah, if you would like to know more on that, then check out this video right here. I'll also put it down in the description. Okay, now let me show you some of my favorite attires of the month. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I actually took up a 30-day yoga challenge, which I began at the beginning of the year, and I failed to complete it. I completed 19 days, and I'm actually really proud of myself for getting it done even on my periods, which is usually really tough for me. After that, I was traveling, and then I missed a couple of days, and then, I just gave up on it. But 19 days was pretty good for me. I think the next time I try out this challenge, I'm going to complete 31 days. Anyway, I don't really think that I would have the energy for completing the challenge with the schedule I had, the food I was consuming. So yeah, I don't want to give any excuses and I'll just say that I failed at it. But yeah, I did document my journey because I was really hoping to complete 30 days, but I didn't. I did document my journey. So do let me know in the comment section below if you'd like to see a video on my failed attempt. If you watched my last month's reset video, then you'll know that I also plan to go on a morning walk 2 times a week, which didn't happen either. I plan to complete 7K steps on an average for the month, which I think did not happen, but I did a lot of standing. I was pretty active in the month, so I think it covers up for it. I planned to practice chess, which did not happen either. I planned to post 4 YouTube videos, excluding shorts, which did not happen either. I posted only 2, but considering that I was not home for half of the time, I think I'm pretty happy with the 2 videos, and I'm actually really happy with the quality of those videos too. Do check them out if you haven't as yet. I'll put the video links in the video description. I plan to finish reading this book and I did not complete it either. But it's okay, I'm just going to stop giving and maybe try to complete it this month in Feb. I also planned on publishing my second Skillshare course, which did not happen either. I will start working on it this month, so hopefully I can publish it at least by the end of this month. If you are interested in learning something new and you would like to learn chess probably, then you should definitely check out my Skillshare course, which is for complete beginners, so you can learn chess from scratch. I'll put the link in the video description, and if you use my link, you will also get 1 month free Skillshare subscription. Last month, we also planned to spend less and cook more, which went okay, we'll have to improvise on it this month. Now, let's talk about what went well last month. Firstly, I have not been crossing my daily social media usage, which is so important. Earlier, I would actually keep asking for another 15 minutes, or keep snoozing, which was not really good, but it really did not happen even for a single day this month, so I'm really happy about it. Next is again connected to my phone. I have not been taking my phone to the bathroom as I decided, so I'm really happy about this one too. I also stuck to my bedtime reading habit when I was home. I so look forward to going to bed now because I get to read before closing my eyes. So, as I mentioned earlier, I posted only 2 long format YouTube videos, but I did post many more YouTube shorts, which I believe did help me to cross 600 subscribers in Jan. And along with that, I also crossed 1800 followers on Instagram. And if you did watch our previous video, you know that this was one of my goals. I post content almost every day on Instagram, so if you wish to follow me there, please do. I've also been waking up an hour earlier than I planned to wake up, which is really, really huge for me. I've also been feeling a lot better, a lot more positive mentally, which is huge. Now that we know what went well last month and what I could improvise on, now let's talk about my February goals and intentions. I would like to continue my morning routine and my bedtime routine as it is. It's been going really, really well. Along with that, I would like to continue my bullet journaling, which has been super, super fun. Along with that, I also would like to want to have my morning walks 2 times a week. As I planned last month, didn't happen, but this time it's going to happen. I'm going to go on morning walks 2 times a week, which I think is not a difficult task. Along with that, 7K average steps, I usually get it done, so I'll get that done too. 7K average steps for this month. I also want to post 4 long format YouTube videos, and I've been feeling really creative, really energetic. As I've told you, I've been having a positive mindset, I've been in a positive space, so I think I'll be able to do it. Excluding shorts, of course, along with these 4 long format videos, I will be posting shorts regularly, which I've already begun doing. I will also continue posting on Instagram very regularly as I am doing right now. And a lot of my reels, my videos are basically lines from my journal, which you guys seem to be liking a lot. So I'll try to post more such videos there, and hopefully I can cross 1900 followers this month. I don't know. I really hope I can. I know the goal seems a bit too much, gaining about 80 followers on Instagram is not an easy task for me. But is it even a goal if it is not hard to achieve? I got to add that these numbers are not really my main priority. My main goal is just to put content out there. If people like me or like my content or not in my hands. If they follow me or not in my hands. If they subscribe or don't subscribe, it's not entirely in my hands. Ultimately, it's their choice. My job is just to post content out there, and that I will do. Another goal of mine is to finish reading the book that I was reading last month. So yes, I will be tracking my reading, and this will be on my habit tracker this month. Along with that, chess practice will also be on my habit tracker. And most importantly, I want to start working out. Last month was a good warm-up and my body was kind of getting used to it. Now I believe I can do a little more and take it a step further. I don't want to add anything new as yet because it's just the beginning, and trying out too many new things or too many new habits at once is not really going to help if you want to stick to them. But yes, I may add anything if I really wish to in between the month if I feel the need to. You'll be updated on my Instagram or in my next month's reset video. The choice is yours. I do have a couple more goals which I'm not going to be speaking about in the video, but you'll probably get to know about them someday. What are your goals and intentions for February? What will you be working on this month? Maybe leave a comment, it may help you stay accountable. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.